At Brenthaven, our mission is to design and build innovative, high-quality cases that provide peace of mind for your digital classroom. To deliver this peace of mind, we test all of our cases individually and against competitors to ensure the highest level of drop protection in the market. This rigorous testing is done with independent labs, which provide testing certifications such as Milspec. Milspec is a series of tests designed by the U.S. military to test equipment in extreme conditions. This includes drop testing all faces, edges, and corners at least 26 times from a 4-foot height. For a Brenthaven iPad case to pass the test, both the case and the device inside must be undamaged after each of the 26 drops. We demand the very best from our cases, which is why we test them in extreme conditions to ensure they can withstand any K-12 environment they might be used in. Our products are built to last a lifetime, which is how we can stand behind them with our 100% lifetime guarantee.